without further ado, we will start the award-giving ceremony. In the first place, the Lamennais Award for being the most hard-working children goes to Iraiz Peleta, Leire Arnay, Iker González, Ayala Fernández, Ana Vidaurre, Nerea Fuentes and Paula Cepeda. You are very elegant, yes? Would you like to say something to your public?
Thank you for this Oscar.